Creating a VPN service that secures your personal data and takes care of your online security in just one click is not an easy task. In 2018, NordVPN put in maximum effort to keep you secure and private online. New servers in 32 countries, which means that your chosen server will now be even faster. Cheers to 5,100 plus servers in 62 countries. An industry-first no-logs audit completed so that you can be assured that NordVPN doesn't monitor your online behavior and doesn't store your data. Partnership with Liverpool Football Club. They'll help us educate the world about the importance of cybersecurity. The Speedtest Recommended badge by Ookla, the global leader in internet speed testing and analysis. 2 more apps, the NordVPN Linux app and the NordVPN app for Android TV, which works with Amazon Fire TV Stick 2. Support for NGOs, NordVPN service to journalists, human rights advocates, and other nonprofit organizations at special rates. Stay safe in 2019. For more online security tips, don't forget to subscribe to the NordVPN YouTube channel.